I tried Nexo Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Nexo Wallet app, I thought it would just be another place to store crypto and maybe earn a little interest. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Nexo feels more like a digital bank for crypto users, and that's both a blessing and a warning. On day 1, I deposited some Bitcoin and stablecoins to test how the app handled different assets. The interface was incredibly clean and beginner-friendly. Within seconds, I could see my balance, daily earnings, and interest rates clearly displayed. Nexo pays up to around 10% on stablecoins and lower rates on other crypto. That's much higher than most banks, and interest compounds daily. By day 3, I tried their loan feature, and this was the moment I realized how advanced Nexo really is. You can borrow cash or stablecoins instantly using your crypto as collateral. No credit checks, no delays. I tested it with a small loan against Ethereum, and it worked flawlessly. But here's the catch: if the market drops, your collateral value can fall fast, and that could trigger liquidation. So it's powerful, but risky if you're not careful. On day 5, I explored the Nexo card. It lets you spend your crypto or earn cash back on purchases. Every swipe gives you rewards paid in crypto, and it works just like a regular Visa card. It's surprisingly seamless, no need to sell your holdings first. By day 7, I saw how Nexo truly merges banking and blockchain. It's ideal for people who want passive income or quick liquidity without selling their assets. But the shocking truth is this: convenience comes with trust. Since Nexo is a custodial wallet, your assets are held by them, not on your private keys. So if you value yield, flexibility, and simplicity, Nexo is one of the most polished apps out there. But if you're not your keys, not your coins type, you might want to think twice.